Hello friends, welcome to the channel. For the New Year's Eve celebration, the capital city of United Arab Emirates, Dubai, had the largest fireworks display ever in the year 2014. The fun and extravaganza is the same every year too. Here you can enjoy the iconic view of the phenomenal display of Dubai from the Burj Al Arab Hotel. Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure in the entire world, is so beautifully decorated that you just can't take your eyes off it. On the New Year's Eve, several superstars from all around the world perform in Dubai at the most renowned parties. Make sure you get an exclusive pass of one of these celebrated parties. Don't you miss out on these extreme thrilling sports when you are in Dubai. St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is one of the most fun places in Russia to be at the last day of the year. The locals of Russia begin the festivities on the 25th of December, which is the Catholic Christmas. It goes on until the 7th of January, which is the Orthodox Christmas. During this time, St. Petersburg is the must-visit place in Russia. The splendid bridges and boulevards of the St. Petersburg are indeed at their stunning best during the New Year's Eve celebrations. They are decorated in white and are dazzled by holiday lights. Another attraction is the opulent Hermitage Museum, which is at its best on the New Year's Eve. It is crammed by tourists who come here to partake in the fireworks show over the Neva River. Here the tourists can sip champagne and release paper lanterns up in the sky while enjoying the fireworks. The capital city of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, hosts a myriad of concerts, shows, and events to make for an extravagant New Year's Eve celebrations. If carnival festivities is something that Rio de Janeiro is broadly known for, then its New Year's Eve celebrations are close to second. One iconic attraction of Rio de Janeiro is the Copacabana beach, which is the host of arguably the wildest and largest New Year's Eve party in Brazil. Partake in the exquisite celebrations on the Copacabana beach, which involves tossing of flowers as the gift to the goddess of seas, attending music and dance performances conducted here, and the colorful fireworks display that perfects the scene. The capital of Iceland, Reykjavik, is widely considered as one of the best places for New Year's Eve and receives a lot of footfall during this time of the year. Hard partying locals throw citywide celebrations that last until the wee hours of the morning. To witness the best view, head to Perlen, which offers the beautiful view of the city as well as the New Year celebration. This city is quite popular for the Golden Circle, where one can spot mind boggling auroras at the midnight. Moreover, waterfall and parks, which are decorated as part of the Christmas celebrations, are other attractions in the city that tourists usually like to visit. Concerts and events are held at the City Theatre, National Theatre of Iceland, Herpa, and Nordic House, which you can be a part of. You can be a part of the spectacular views that can be seen during the last moments of the year in frenetic and intense Hong Kong. The firework display of Hong Kong grows impressive and extravagant with every passing year. You can head to the Victoria Harbour to be a part of some evening activity. Tsim Sha Sui's Avenue of Stars is another great attraction to visit during New Year. Several events take place in the Hong Kong's Times Square shopping mall, which are a replica of the ball drop event that takes place in the New York City. Catch the glimpse of the dazzling light shows that take place in the different areas of Hong Kong during this time of the year. Bangkok is a bustling international city that has always been known to put forth the best New Year's Eve parties. The metropolis locals, as well as the expats, come together to take part in Asia's best New Year's Eve festivities. You can head to the Central World Square that is crammed with tourists during this time of the year. Several spectacular video screen projections, light shows, and live concerts are conducted here. During midnight, a lot of fireworks are also released in the sky. You can also attend a party in one of the lively beer gardens or a nightclub of a city. You can also have a dinner at one of the popular rooftop eateries in Bangkok. To partake in the New Year's Eve countdown, you can head to the Asiatic. Australia's Melbourne city attracts more than 500,000 people, accredited to its elaborate New Year's Eve celebrations. Melbourne anchors two official firework displays that are both thronged by tourists and locals in large numbers. An event in the evening is conducted at the Yarra Park to kick off the festivities. You can also head to the Victoria Harbour to experience the stunning light shows that colors the entire city in a mix of hues. Stages from around the city host a range of live acts, right from the Federation Square's Brazilian samba dance to the performances by the folk musicians across the city. London, the capital city of England, is the host of the best New Year's Eve party in the world. The city is very well lit up, and the several places across the capital will come up with all the stops to ensure that your New Year's Eve in London is one memorable one. If you wish to get close to the fireworks, you can head right next to the St. Paul's, the Cannon Street, as well as the monument areas of the London city. Here you can also take a New Year's Eve river cruise or enjoy a dinner at one of the sky-high restaurants of the city. New York is the best places for New Year's Eve given the phenomenal attractions and incomparable night scene. New York City might not be a place for everyone, but it is undeniable that the city's New Year's Eve has an atmosphere that many others can't rival. Every year on the New Year's Eve, millions of people gather in the Times Square to see several renowned musicians and the ball drop. In this, a ball weighing nearly 12,000 pounds, that is 12 foot wide, is descended from top of the one Times Square, making it one of the most prominent attractions of the New Year's Eve. You can book a reservation in one of the hip bar or restaurant overlooking the Times Square and enjoy the local delicacies. Taking a night boat ride on the New York Harbor to catch a glimpse of the midnight fireworks display near the Statue of Liberty Island is another grand thing to do. For those who are fortunate enough to be in Paris to welcome the New Year, the City of Light actually has a lot many ways to say Bonne Année. Regardless of what you think, the ideal New Year celebration, you will definitely experience the City of Light display its most amiable colors to bring a new year. What could even be more romantic than watching the incredible fireworks and the light show display at the most iconic landmark of Paris, the Eiffel Tower? Partying at the Champs-Élysées and the Montmartre Sacré-Cœur Plaza is preferred choice to make. Another vital thing to do is taking up one of those New Year's Eve cruises alongside the River Seine. Thank you for watching the video.